TV static.
Relief is ethereal that never seems there. Misery a carnival she never gives credence. Wait, I just need a few more moments to grasp for fresh air. I can't breathe with all these ghosts around here. Relief is ethereal, it never seems there. Misery a carnival she never gives credence. Wait, I just need a few more moments to gasp for fresh air. I can't breathe with all these ghosts around here.
Lurking in the minds for a happy semblance, beaten down by sadness not really known by most. Deadly stares that she got as a child turned her into a ghost. Cursing at blobs who were considered gods and straight menace on the mic. But she would rather grow horns and devour fire than blather dishonest halls on her powerful spire. Bones, blood, and rage she'd rather see retire than whatever Congress has crawling out the ivory tower. Every verse on this record coalesce, gnawing to give me back my power. So best believe I'm gonna drain these MCs like a vampire, drain and flatten them out like they were a tire, and I'm gonna wear every one of the chains like beautiful attire.
Relief is ethereal but never seems there. Misery a carnival she never gives credence. Wait, I just need a few more moments to grasp for fresh air. I can't breathe with all these ghosts around here.
Belief is ethereal, it doesn't seem there. I can't really breathe with all of my past ghosts around here. All racing, discomfort debaucherous, carnivorous canines bite until I feel nauseous. I thought this time I would be more cautious. I thought this time I would be more cautious. Anxiety blasting holes in my conscience, heart growing numb like the sex worker dead on the pavement, trying to figure out what I'm doing for payment. Nothing seems to be happening, so I wonder where the hate went. Maybe I should grab the angry cripple crutch and try to show you what it's like to live my life in double dutch, but I should probably just stop, give you something more than just a little hip-hop. I'm trying to give you what it's like to be disabled, and maybe I'm wrong, and I'm not even able. Doubts caress my mind like a wrapped around cable, trying to see the future but I'd have no timetable. Second guessing every single doubt like my name was Cain or Abel. See if I can throw my saber at your fucking ankle.